and northern Kentucky, including the greater Cincinnati tri-state area. This afternoon, mostly cloudy with showers and thunderstorms.
Darn it.
25 miles an hour.
There we go.
Did they miss anything?
No, an SVR just got issued.
For what county?
Boone, Campbell, Kenton, Kentucky, and Hamilton, Ohio.
Oh. Okay.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Kenton County, northern Campbell County, northern Boone County, central Hamilton County in southwestern Ohio until 3:15 p.m.
Oh, whoops.
Another tornado warning.
And an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Cincinnati, Covington, Florence, Independence, Norwood, Erlanger, Fort Thomas, Newport, Blue Ash, Reading, Montgomery, North College Hill, Madeira, Edgewood, Alexandria, Ellesmere, Wyoming, Cheviot, Fort Mitchell, and Villa Hills. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 71 in Ohio between mile markers 0 and 15. Interstate 74 in Ohio between mile markers 6 and 19. Interstate 75 in Kentucky between mile markers 179 and 191. Interstate 75 in Ohio between mile markers 0 and 12.